What does Queen of Substance mean to you?
According to me, Queen of Substance is a woman who cares for her family with a gentle hand and besides work hard for her success daily.
And what is success?
According to me, success is.
So, how has life been so far? You are a homemaker, you said.
Yes.
And I think that is one of the toughest ever jobs. I think आधा हिंदुस्तान बैठ जाएगा अगर होममेकर काम करना बंद कर देगा.
दुर्गा होता है.
तो कैसा रही है अब तक लाइफ कैसी रही है?
According to me,
वो गाना सुना होगा आपने जो वो मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट यू नो taking every moment as it comes, seeping it in, inhaling it, and exhaling out all the calmness that you can. Life is about experience, and that is what Shankoshita says. And she has come here and participating in this pageant. I think you're from the city of Joy again, if I'm not wrong. Wonderful.
No, I am not from the city of Joy. I'm from born and brought up in Chandannagar and from married in Bardhaman.
Bardhaman. Where is Bardhaman?
Bardhaman
West Bengal.
In Bengal.
Absolutely. So, the joyous state of West Bengal, I would put it that way then, right?
Okay, yes.
आसपास तो पहुंच ही गया मैं, है ना?
Yes.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो how has life been so far? You are a homemaker, you said.
Yes.
And I think that is one of the toughest ever jobs. I think आधा हिंदुस्तान बैठ जाएगा अगर होममेकर काम करना बंद कर देगा.
दुर्गा होता है.
तो कैसा रही है अब तक लाइफ कैसी रही है?
According to me, our thoughts are the architect of our destiny. And at the age of 35, I am here in front of you. According to me, from numerous ups and downs in my life, I have never looked back. And now my main dream is to win the crown and to represent my beautiful country.
In any which way you can.
Yes.
Okay, whether or not you win the crown or not, that is a different thing. क्योंकि हार जीत तो लगी रहती है. कोई तो जीतेगा, कोई तो हारेगा. You know, and somebody wins because somebody has lost.
Yes.
So that kind of a thing always is there.
Yes.
But then, what are your greatest learnings from this pageant?
From this present, I have a strong desire to learn and grow through this cherished role. I am gaining knowledge continuously from this field, and that's why I am here.
Wonderful, wonderful. बाकी सब participants के साथ कैसा लग रहा है मिलके बात करके सबको देख के?
I am learning from different culture, different language, and also I am expressing a good communication in positive way, and that's why I am learning so much.
Brilliant, brilliant. What does Queen of Substance mean to you?
According to me, Queen of Substance is a woman who cares for her family with a gentle hand and besides work hard for her success daily.
And what is success?
According to me, success is reaching the goal of your life. And I think that it is not
I
difficult.
see a lot of fierceness and aggression in what you have said. And that doesn't sound like a homemaker. It sounds like somebody who is protecting the home. Like you said, Durga.
Yes.
Absolutely right. तो इधर इसके बाद कैसे देखते हैं आपकी लाइफ क्या होने वाली है इसके बाद?
Actually, I'm not only a homemaker. I am being a homemaker, a wife, and a mother. I have learned patience and endurance. According to me, end is only the beginning. अगर हार भी गया ना तो वहाँ से we have to turn through our own strength. And I think that it is the main purpose of our life to turn from every moment in every situation. We have to stand to our own feet. And
you have to stand at your own feet. So
yes.
Something really wonderful. So that's what the end is the beginning is the end is the beginning, you know.
Yes.
And you know where that stems from. It's written in our scriptures, but it is also written in Lao Tzu, Taoism. Taoism says the end is the beginning is the end.
Yes. If you can't run, then walk. If you can walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you must look forward.
You must go forward. At least try to crawl.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful, Shankoshita. You come in with so much of guts and determination. So happy to have spoken to you, because the thing that you have said in the end, if you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. At least do that part, and then you will definitely get there. क्योंकि जिंदगी का मकसद ही यही है और आगे बढ़ने का मकसद भी यही है. Thank you so much for being over here, and I hope you have a wonderful time through the pageant, and I hope you go back a happy person and you're able to take it forward to the next level for you and your beautiful family as well. Thank you.
Thank you.